Welcome. For most agents, a common problem is getting a steady stream of high-quality buyers and sellers to work from. For the ones who do get enough good clients, they often end up on an income roller coaster because they spend too much time on aspects of the sales process that take them away from selling more homes. Agents on my team know there is a better way to sell homes. They make a rewarding income, work a reasonable work week, do no open houses, no cold calling, no marketing, no advertising, and no prospecting. Here, a steady stream of buyer leads, seller leads, and appointments are supplied to them. As an agent with my team, you will spend your days actually selling homes and only doing the parts of the job you like. You should consider the sales agent position as an excellent opportunity to earn a high-level income in the only real estate career with stress-free opportunities at success. This sales agent position is not for the brand new rank amateur agent seeking a shortcut to proficiency, nor is it for the failed agent unable to make a living. Instead, the agents who love this change and do well in this position have had some successful sales, are knowledgeable, have good client management, communication, and organization skills, and could continue earning a good living in real estate if they had to, but welcome the opportunity to focus on sales functions with pre-qualified leads and appointments, the freedom from endless cold prospecting, expensive advertising, intense competition, and uncertain, unpredictable feast-famine roller coaster income. Let's take a look at the lead flow chart. I will share with you an overview of how we generate and distribute leads on our real estate sales team. You will have seen how we generate a steady stream to overflow of fantastic buyers and sellers. And through specialized scripts and dialogues, we convince the best of the best prospects to actually meet with us. Here's how it works. Firstly, the prospects contact us through our reverse marketing systems. That means with our unique marketing and advertising, we stop the prospects in their tracks. They raise their hand and identify themselves as a prospect. They contact us. That's right. All of our prospects call us. We don't do any cold calling or door knocking. There is no, what we refer to as, manual grunt prospecting, such as cold calling, door knocking, etc. All of the prospects that we generate contact us. Now, that's the first step. Next, our administrative team leader pulls all the leads off our various lead capture systems, and all the data is input immediately into our contact management system. Our leads manager then distributes the leads with the best inside sales agents and the best outside sales agents getting the best leads. An inside sales agent on our team assigned to the lead gives the prospect a call, following up with them. That's the first point of contact. At this first point of contact, the inside sales agents determines that A. More follow-up is required before booking the appointment. B. The lead is dropped because the quality of the lead is too low. Or C. We book an appointment. Since we generate many ready-to-act prospect leads, C is most likely. We then assign the appointment to the best outside sales agent. And guess what? That's right. That's you. If you are the right fit for our real estate sales team, you will get that prospect. You will go on that appointment, and then you simply meet with the prospect either at our office or at the property. Now, what happens when you meet with them? After you review with them our exclusive seller or buyer presentation, depending on their need, they are going to sign an agreement with you, either a listing or buyer contract. The prospect may do a post-dated agreement if they are not quite ready at that time, but we will continue to follow up with them to make sure we are on track to proceed when the time is right. If the prospect is more than 2 weeks out, then they are kicked back to our inside sales agent for follow-up, and the process starts all over again. You can see from this lead flow chart how you, the outside sales agent on our award-winning real estate sales team, gets a steady stream of the best and most motivated quality buyers and sellers. You are not spending your time chasing prospects around town that are not interested in talking to you or not ready to move. You are only talking to prospects that are ready to do something. I hope you can see the benefits of our unique system, how it works, and that you will take an interest in applying for a position on our team, or at the very least discussing it further. If you have a few sales under your belt, the necessary skills, and are ready to come in out of the must-find-a-prospect rat race, we have a great place on our team for you. Enjoy the information contained on this desktop collection, and if you like what you see and hear, contact me for a discreet discussion on this amazing opportunity by calling the special information line provided. With that, let's go sell some houses. Thank you.